This 79th Independence Day, my heartiest congrats to all fellow Indians in self-rule in 1947. But is it that particular conscious? It was pre-decided by the British government, pre-planned by the British government along with certain Indian leaders who had their own vested interest. Because if that was not so, Nehru would not have been the Prime Minister. Because Congress election, he got 1 vote, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel got 14 votes. ये गांधी जी की हठ धर्मिता थी कि भारत के भविष्य को संवारने के लिए नेहरू जी को चुना गया. मे बी he was a visionary, he thought good for India. Yes, he did so many good things. But today's day, we have a self-ruled government where economic decisions are made by somebody who is an Indian at heart, the Prime Minister who is foreign educated, the Commerce Minister, the Finance Minister, core of the ministers are villagers. I would like to remind the fellow Indians, हमारे देशवासियों, जितनी भी देश आज़ादी थी 1947 या सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद, we are the only nation which truly democratic. और हर जगह आज़ादी के बाद जितने देश को आज़ाद किया गया, तख्ता पलट हो गया है. There is an autocracy and foreign hand invested puppet rulers. Bharat Bhumi, guided by so many thinkers. We are not Indians. हम लोग भारतवासी हैं. ये हमारे बच्चों को समझाना पड़ेगा. আমাদের বাচ্চাদের এই বাংলার গৌরব, যিনি ছিলেন নোবেল লরেট রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর. আমরা ছোটবেলা আমাদের একজন প্রিন্সিপাল ছিলেন মিস্টার গুপ্তা, ডিএভি মডেল স্কুলে. উনি কিন্তু প্রত্যেক দিন অরেট করতেন বড় বড় মহান লোকের কিছু লেখা, অ্যান্ড সেই লেখার মধ্যে একটা লেখা উনি পড়তেন আমাদের কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের, where the head is held high and the mind is without fear. आज तक इसी फियर पे सारी शक्तियां खेलती रही हैं, and we were struggling to keep our head high and the mind without fear. But I am sure this government is taking care of that. आपका मन मस्तिष्क तभी ऊंचा रह सकता है जब दिमाग चेतना में होता है. चेतना आती है शिक्षा से. And to all the anomalies, it is the only country which is a country because of culture, because of 10,000 year heritage. Rest all countries are either geographical locations or language locations or country by religion. The state has a religion. Here the state has a culture. Here the dharma is not decided by some priest or head priest. Here the dharma resides in you, in me, in every Indian and every puja sthal of Indian villages, whether it is a mosque, whether it is a temple, whether it is a girjaghar. The Indians behave like Indians, wear like Indians, talk like Indians, think like Indians. But now the education system, a premium organization, I decided to launch this career-oriented, skill-oriented, the first culinary institution of India. Government of India started this only 7 years, 8 years, 10 years back. In 1996, I launched this skill-based education, and I'm proud to say I produced more than almost 750, and out of that 200 boys would be great chefs of India, presently serving Indian population, because tourism industry is the second largest industry providing employment, a smokeless industry. What brings about this change is education system of Government of India is adapting nowadays. The young minds have to profess कि उनकी चेतना से ये आज़ादी बनी रहेगी, और छोटी छोटी सी बातों में विदेशी नीतियों का हाथ पकड़ हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं. हमारी नीतियां जब से इम्प्लीमेंट हुई हैं, स्वदेशी, स्वराज, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, सुरक्षा, जिसमें महिलाओं की भागीदारी बराबर है या बढ़ चढ़कर. अभी ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में एक आउटपोस्ट की घटना आप सुन लीजिए हमारे देश की महिलाओं के बारे में. 6 महिलाएं थी आउटपोस्ट में. कमांड से ऑर्डर आया, सामने से धुआंधार फायरिंग हो रही है, आप पीछे हट जाए. 6 महिला ने कहा, उनका कमांडिंग कैप्टन या जो भी थी वो वहीं थी, बोले नहीं, वी विल नॉट बच बैक. और बिलीव में उनको राष्ट्रीय सम्मान दिया गया है कुछ दिन पहले, क्योंकि उन्होंने वो जवाबी कार्रवाई की कि सामने के चारों पाकिस्तानी पोस्ट खाली करके भाग गए. The shelling, amount of shelling that they took was one of the heaviest, and the amount of shelling that they did in retaliation, unimagined by 6 or 7 girls as soldiers of India. So that will only come with courage, conviction, devotion. That comes from conviction, and courage comes from knowledge. And ये कोई आश्चर्य की बात नहीं है कि knowledge ही सारी दुनिया में रूल करता है. But a weak country can never defend itself. An intelligent country can always defend itself by manipulating. But an intelligent and a strong country depends on a youthful India, educated India, and that educated India is you, the youth of today. शिक्षक बोलूँगा आपको लैक कर रहे हैं वो है पेशेंस. ये 2 मिनट के रील के ज़माने में और 2 मिनट मैगी नूडल के ज़माने में गो बैक टू बाजरा की रोटी फॉर द स्ट्रेंथ, गो बैक टू दूध दही मक्खन मलाई फॉर द स्ट्रेंथ, and get away from this very poisonous food structure motivated by Western medicine culture. The Ayush Mantralaya is doing a great job, and the youthful, energetic youth is actually coming back to the roots. That is heartening for me as a Shikshavid. And to tell you the fact, the Indian education system has been the best. What was lacking was conviction in our courage, which Operation Sindoor proved कि जो 2 साल से रशिया नहीं हरा पाया, जो अमेरिका को ये वॉर नहीं जीत पाया, ना इराक में ना ईरान में, कहीं नहीं, झूठ बोलते रहे, भारतवर्ष ने कुछ नहीं बोला. हमारी गज वाली चाल, चीते वाली चाल और एक सूक्ष्म बुद्धि चाणक्य की सिर्फ 28 घंटे में कमर तोड़ देती है दुश्मन. What more conviction do you need of a vibrant democracy, a strong India? Jai Hind! Jai Hind! इन आवर जर्नी, कुलिनरी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया के जर्नी में इस इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा उन सभी शिक्षकों का जो आज हमारे साथ हैं, जो हमारे साथ रहे हैं, एंड दोज हु आर नॉट विथ अस. थैंक यू ऑल, बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट डन अ सर्विस टू कुलिनरी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया, यू हैव डन सर्विस टू द नेशन by helping becoming a team member of Culinary Institute of India. And we still have a very strong faculty in the name of Mr. Malay Mukherjee. We have Mr. Subhendu with us. We have Mr. Karuna Sindhu Chakravarti with us, and some of them who are not been present here today. But yes, they have always been with us. हर समय, like there are a lot of teachers who are actually doing government job. They find time to come back and actually spend time with the younger generation being groomed here. And one famous name is Arunabha sir. We have the guidance of very senior and very helpful person, I'd like to specially thank Mr. Kanchan Lai, who has been instrumental in guiding me morally, showing the light and the path in this society, how to move forward. I am ever so grateful to Mr. Kanchan Lai and his family, because it is worth mentioning Bodhi, as I call her, she has been very supportive. As a villager, as a township person of Gopalpur, Durgapur, there are so many eminent educated teachers, retired teachers who have been with me silently, helping me up in this journey of 30 years. Yes, 96 we started. This is the 30th year we are running. And God bless, ईश्वर की कृपा रहे तो हम सैकड़ों और विद्यार्थियों को ग्रूम कर पाएंगे सभी की मदद से. जय हिंद, धन्यवाद.